My dear students, welcome again to our online teaching program arranged by Maruganj Public School English Medium. So, I am Kalikanto Roy, an assistant teacher of Maruganj Public School. I would like to request you to stay at home, avoid gatherings, and wash your hands properly and frequently to stop the rapid spreading of COVID-19. I also request you to maintain social distancing. Thank you. So I am here today to participate in online teaching program arranged by our school management committee. Okay. So my today's teaching is only for those students who are now reading in class 1. So before I going to start my lesson today, before I going to start my teaching today, I would like to request all the students who are now reading in class 1 to join my online teaching program, and also request to subscribe the channel and share the video with others. Thank you. So my today's subject is our world. Please take a look at the book. My today's subject is our world, and my today's topic is our sense organs. Let me write on board. Our today's topic is sense organs. Sense, S-E-N-S-E, sense organs, O-R-G-A-N-S. Okay. Our today's topic is sense organs. So, first of all, I would like to request you to listen to me. Okay. To listen to me what I am talking to you. Start. So, you know that we have 5 sense organs. Is that clear? How many sense organs do we have? How many sense organs do you have? Yes, you are right. We have 5 sense organs. First one is eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and last one is our skin. Is that okay? Once again, we have 5 sense organ. First one is eyes, second ears, third nose, fourth, second last tongue, and last one is our skin. Is that okay? Okay, one by one I am going to write on board and going to give you the explanation of what is the use of our sense organs. First one is our eyes. So our first sense organ is our eyes. Number 1, eyes, E-Y-E-S. Okay. So you know that this is our eyes. Okay, now I am going to explain. Now I am going to give you what is the importance of our eyes. Is that clear to you? Do you understand what I am talking? Fine, next. So eyes, our sense organ, this is one of the most important sense organ of human body, of our body. So what is the use of eyes? Let me write. We use our eyes to S-E-E-C-S-O-M-E, some, T-H-I-N-G, something. Stop. So eyes, our sense organ. So what is the use of eyes? Please take a look at the board. Yes, we use our eyes to see something. Is that okay? Do you understand? Once again, please take a look at the board and try to understand what I am talking you. We use our eyes to see something. Clear? Next one. Next sense organ, eyes. Next one is ears. Number second, ears. EARS. Okay. This is our second sense organ. Okay. This is one of the most important sense organ of human body. Is that okay? So now I am writing what is the use of our ears. Do you know? Then please tell me. Oh, yes, you are right. We use our EARS ears to hear hear something SOMETHING. Stop. So ears, this is our another most important sense organ, ear. Okay. So we use our ears to hear something. Is that okay? We use our ears to listen to music. We use our ears to listen to sound. Okay. Thank you. Once again. We use our ears to hear something. Is that clear? Next one. Next one is number three, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. This is one of the most important sense organ of human body. Is that clear? Do you know? This is another important sense organ of our body. So now I am writing what is the use of our nose. This is our nose. Yes. So we use our nose, nose to smell, 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 SOMETHING. Stop. Okay. Number three, nose, one of the most important sense organ of human body. So we use our nose to smell something. Do you understand? Okay, once again. We use our nose to smell something. Is that clear? Next one. Number four. Second last number 4. Let me write on board. Number 4, tongue, Tongue. Okay, so tongue, this is our tongue. So it is one of the most important sense organ of our body. It is one of the most important sense organs of our human body. Okay, so let me write what is the use of tongue. We use our tongue, 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 to taste, taste something, some, THING. Okay, tongue, our one of the most sense organ, important. So we use our tongue to taste something. Is that clear? Once again, we use our tongue to taste something. We use our tongue to taste sweet. We use our tongue to taste bitter and many others. Next one, last one. Last one is, our last sense organ is, let me write, number 5, skin, SKIN. Okay. So you know, this is the last sense organ of human body, skin. So now I am going to write what is the use of our skin. Okay. So we use our skin, skin, to feel, feel something, SONETHING. Last one, skin. We use our skin to feel something. Do you know it? We use our skin to feel hot. We use our skin to feel cold. Okay, once again, please take a look at the board. We use our skin to feel something. Is that okay? Okay. So, my dear students, I am going to summarize our today's lesson once again. Okay. So, you know that we have 5 sense organ. How many sense organ do we have? How many sense organ do you have? Please tell me. Yes, try please. Yes, you are right. We have 5 sense organ. Okay, please you tell me what are their names. Okay, yes, try please. I told you earlier. Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and last one is skin. Okay. So what is the uses of our sense organ? First one is eyes. Okay, you tell me what is the use of our eyes? Yes, we use our eyes to see pictures. We use our eyes to see movies. We use our eyes to see cartoon films and many others. Okay. Next one. Next organ is, tell me what is the name of the second? Yes? Ears. Okay, this is our ears, one of the most important sense organ of human body. So you please tell me what is the use of our ears? Why do you use your ears? Okay, right, you are absolutely right. So we use our ears to listen to music. We use our ears to listen any kind of sound. Next one. Next one is nose. Yes, you tell me. I told you earlier. Yes, please try. Right, you are absolutely right. So this is our nose, one of the most important sense organ. We use our nose to smell flowers. We use our nose to take smell from flowers. Is that okay? Yes. Next one, second last, number 4. Yes, tell me what is the name of this sense organ? Right, tongue. Yes. So would you please tell me what is the use of our tongue? Why do we use our tongue? Yes, please try again. Right. We use our tongue to taste something. We use our tongue to taste sweet. We use our tongue to taste bitter. We use our tongue to taste chilies. We use our tongue to taste sour. We use our tongue to taste many things. Okay, last one. So last one is our skin. Okay, this is our skin, one of the most 5 sense organ. So I am now going to tell you what is the use of our skin. So yes, listen please. We use our skin to feel something. We use our skin to feel cold. We use our skin to feel hot. Yes, that's all for today, my dear students. I don't like to extend my class. I would like to close my teaching here. Thank you. Thank you for joining my class. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at home. Tata.